Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching TechMate Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a radar chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a radar chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. For that, I just type some example of points like pen drive, SD card, and hard drive, hard disk, which will be the count. So I just going to click on the home section and just changing to the insert option and just going inside the chart option. Just swipe to the bottom section, you can find option called others. Click on this others option and you can find a lot of charts here. So as I said, I just talking about the radar chart. You can find the radar chart on the others. So that's only 3 different charts. You can just click any of one of the charts. So it's inserted here. Now you just need to click on the layout option. So here you can find different layouts here. So you can just change it if you just need it. So you can find this layout. And also if you just need to change the colors, you can just change the colors like this. So if you just need a purple, just choose purple. And also click on the style option. So here you can find a different type of layout styles. So you can find a different variety of styles. You can just choose any one of the style and you can just make the style to look like a chart that you just needed. This is how you just insert a radar chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you out. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.